Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So I'm over today at the Valor Chocolate Factory in Villa Joyosa, which is just the next town over from Benidorm. You can take the tram here, you can catch a bus, you can get a taxi for probably maybe 20 euros. So you should book online, especially in the tourist season. If not, you can show up. They'll take 50 people on a tour. You could just grab a ticket right in the little waiting area here. But much easier to book online. Highly suggest that. So we're gonna get in here, take a look around the factory and the museum, whatever they have. And of course, there's a gift shop at the end. So let's get at it. So when your tour starts, you'll be escorted to the back of the factory where you'll begin with an audio presentation and some displays. They basically explain where chocolate comes from, the cacao plant, which countries produce it, and how they get it, the raw cacao, over to Spain. So next up on the tour, you'll enter a little theater where they will show you a video basically about the company's history, how it was formed, how it's evolved over time, how much chocolate they produce, and where they ship it around the world. Very interesting little film. So next, you'll head right across the hall over to the Museum of the Valor Chocolate Company. They have all kinds of like old machines, recipes, old kind of packaging. They have an old office because it's a family-run business, so they have like one of the head guys' old offices. Quite an interesting little museum, lots of chocolate artifacts and old company heritage. Really, really interesting. So in the next part of the tour, they take you to the current day production facility where you can see them physically making the chocolate in process. It's really neat, but unfortunately, no photos and no video in this area. So the end of the tour will leave you in the gift shop. You're on your own from here. This is where the washrooms are at. They have all their products, some brand new stuff that's I haven't even seen in stores yet. Of course, they have gift packs if you want to take some stuff home, and they have all their products and product lines, hot chocolate, bars, you name it, they got it in here. They also have like a bonbon station. So take a browse around. Pretty good selection of stuff in here. So I just finished up over at the chocolate factory. Pretty good tour. Remember, free admission. It's only about 45 minutes long. They pack some interesting information in there. It's pretty good activity to do if you want to get out of the sun. If you are going to take the tram over like I did, use the Crueta station over in Villa Joyosa. It's only a few minute walk from the station to the factory. So now that I'm back in Benidorm, I think what we'll do is go to the Valor Cafe here in the Old Town. They have, of course, all kinds of different chocolates that they sell. They have like a little chocolate boutique inside, but they also serve sandwiches and coffee and churros and all that stuff. So we'll head over there and go check that out. So I grabbed a seat out here on the terrace up at Valor Chocolate in the Old Town of Benidorm. Went with 2 churros and some chocolate to dip it in. I went with the sugar-free option. Fantastic that they offer that. The quality of the dipping chocolate here at Valor I find is better than some of the other places. And then I just went with a simple espresso to finish off. So I just finished up over here at the Valor Cafe in Old Town Benidorm. If you're looking for it, you'll find it on Calle La Ponto, which is just 1 block up from Calle Girona, where you'll find Winners, Halfway House, Hotel Los Alamos. So not too hard to find, not too far out of the way. It's one of the better cafes, I think, in the city. The food is fantastic. They have some brunch items too, sandwiches and stuff like that. Great coffee shop, wonderfully decorated, service was fantastic. So I think I will wrap the video up here. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in the next one.